The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Good morning, guys. I know I said we want to end the video. She probably did that last night, but yeah, I don't think we're going to do much this morning because, yeah, it's going to be an early start, but she's probably sleeper. How was your sleep?
It was good.
It was good? Yo, here in the water and everything. Here in the water. Wasn't hot in here. The windows cracked and everything. Have our fun. Yo. Chad, how the sleep go on? Nico, how the sleep go on?
Nice.
5-star. 5-star, Chad. Yeah, where's Sebastian? Sebastian good enough because Sebastian was at the Ritz. How was the sleep, man? Sleep was good?
Sleep was perfect, bro.
Right.
SOAI vlog.
Somebody asked me, is that the guy who vlogs on YouTube? Celebrity.
You know, shaky shake. With a handle packet.
Oh, that smells good.
All of this flavor will get mixed back in. We're almost ready. Just want a little more color up on them.
Yeah. Porridge or cook. Yeah.
Around that bend. And what sign of it?
As in windsurfing?
No.
Oh.
Walking.
Walking,
Walking
oh.
this morning.
Wow.
I was actually, if I didn't bring my phone, I was going to try to walk the Parotee.
So, just a bit of sad news. Like last night, the tide came up and it just washed away my Crocs. Brent just said it went back to its natural habitat to swim with the Crocs. A little bit sad because the video before, when I was at Valley Falls, yeah, I mentioned that, you know, Kurt, my best friend who passed away, had given me those Crocs. I know one of them is gone. I still have a couple pair that he had gotten for me, so yeah, I'll keep that that last Croc. But yeah, I guess the takeaway is just don't leave your stuff too close to the tide.
So we let this simmer for 15 minutes and then we'll drizzle a little. Yeah.
Big man, if you look on your hand right now, you look like you're one of them Maasai warrior. For them juke up.
Alright guys, so we're about to head off from this beautiful place, so yeah, sad to go, but let's go.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. It's all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling.
Alright, so we made it up the sand dune. That was pretty fun, right? But we're parked up on the sand dune, so yeah. Four-wheeling is fun. And you drove on the beach, how was it?
Yeah, right?
Did you feel it?
Yeah, first time.
So we are at Parotee Point. I believe this is where we wanted to end up originally. Like I can look across now and see Pelican Bar. Yeah, I have videos for Pelican Bar, so I can drop links. You guys can check it out. Yeah, basically we're just scouting at the moment. Yeah, beautiful day. It's been raining all week, so this is good.
That's just kind of embarrassing to the rest of us here.
You got this, babe.
Bro, oh shit!
That
was so wicked! Boom! Oh my god!
That's scary. When we see my dude.
Alright, so we got through that little passage there, and yeah, we're basically at the point where we want to get to. It's pretty cool. To do the same shit.
No.
That's exactly what I wanted to do.
You're next.
He's on freaking drone. Alright, so we just parked up here and just checking out Jamaica. Never been on this coastline before, and it's beautiful. Alright, so we're just parked up, taking in the vibes, and then we're gonna head out of here. Yo, we make a quick stop by Billy. It's been like almost a year.
Almost 1 year.
All is well?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I get some corn and everything there, is it? Yo, I was just like, yo, where are you guys going?
Wrong turn, man.
Wrong turn. Jano, Billy have to kind of cage the food area because they don't know corona and stopping the virus. Jano, that was a part of the experience. Yeah.
Shrimp sip and yeah, peanut sip.
Shrimp.
What's the difference between shrimp and peanut?
The peanut one, no meat.
Little shrimp soup by the road. Cheers.
What is useful for them when I drive one?
Just drop in.
Yeah, just ready. Hot and
Spicy, you know?
Feel like nothing really looks so scary.
Nice, man.
Nice. How was it?
Spicy and crunchy.
Yep.
So true.
There is a life I lead in the city, hurrying to cut my teeth.